In a sun-kissed village in Jamaica, there lived a vibrant woman named Miss Rose. She was known for her flower garden that bloomed with colors, much like her personality. But her heart belonged to two playful dogs. Catherine, a lively thin brown female pup with boundless energy, and Sass, a prince in his own right with a rather whimsical diet. Every morning, the sun would peek over the horizon, casting golden light on Miss Rose's big veranda, where Sass would lay sprawled out, soaking up the sun. While Catherine raced around, chasing butterflies, Sass remained a dignified prince, only lifting his head to supervise his kingdom. You see, Sass had one quirk. He would refuse any dog food, declaring that his menu was limited to the tropical delight of rice and peas, served with tender chicken. Miss Rose found amusement in Sass's culinary demands, and made sure his plate was never empty. "How's my little prince today?" Miss Rose would chuckle, gently patting Sass as he sprawled lazily on the veranda. As the day melted into a golden sunset, Miss Rose would prepare dinner, making sure to set aside a special bowl for Sass filled with his beloved rice and peas, while Catherine enjoyed her share of treats. As the evening breeze rustled through the leaves, the trio would sit together on the veranda, Miss Rose sharing stories of her youth, while Sass let out a satisfied sigh and Catherine leaned against her, eyes bright and full of love. In that moment, beneath the Jamaican sky, the little family found joy in simple things: the warmth of companionship, the taste of good food, and the relaxing bliss of life on the veranda.